Hi guys, I'm Christopher with RV ASAP, powered by Funtown. Today we're going to be looking at our east to west Alta 2800KBH. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and show you a starter kit. This is something you can talk to your sales professional about, or if you want to talk to one of our pros there in Camptown, they'll be able to help you out with this. So whether you're a first-time camper just getting started, or you've been doing this since the dawn of time, this is going to be everything that you're going to need for your camping trip. So we have our surge protector, our water filter, our blocks, our power cord adapter, our black tank treatment. We have our water hose with our hose saver and our pressure regulator. And then we also have our wheel chocks and our sewer hose. So this is our Viper sewer hose. You want to make sure you're taking care of the tools that you use for camping is just as important as the camper you're using. Right here, what we did is we actually put the kit together for you. So you can get with your sales professional, or you can get with one of our pros there in Camptown to be able to get you pricing on whether you have a 30 amp or a 50 amp camper. Let's go take a look at this Alta. Right now, guys, we're in front of the Alta. This is going to be our power jack. So one of the great features it has on there is that front light. So whether you're hooking up at night or if you just need a little extra light, it's a little cloudy, you're able to do so. We have our dual propane tanks right here, and then our battery right behind there. So right here, guys, we're at our door for our pass-through storage. One of the great features about this, we're going to have this magnet right here. So it holds that door open. That way when the wind's not going to catch it and hit you with it, you're able to put in anything or take it out. It is pretty deep and tall, so if you want to go ahead and take a look, there's plenty of room in there, and it is lit up so you can see everything you have in there. So right here above me, we're going to have our 12-volt power awning. We have our light strip that's going to help light up any parties or hanging out under the awning at night. We also have our speakers. You're able to control the TV or just the radio from the inside and outside. We have our hookups right here, so if you wanted to hook up the TV, you're able to do so with your satellite cable and then plug-ins right there for an outside TV. If you notice right here on our tires, we're going to have this green valve stem. What that means is they are nitrogen filled. So whether it's hot or cold, that fluctuation in the temperature isn't going to fluctuate your tire pressure. And then at our second door, guys, of course, we're going to have these steps. These steps are easy to adjust. It's just pressing this lever and pulling it up and down. And then to store it all the way up inside, as if we're leaving, we'll close that, locks it into place, that is secured. But then when we're taking it down, we have this nice handle. We're able to bring it down. And the reason why we adjust those legs is if we're on a rocky terrain or if the ground just isn't level, we want to adjust that to make sure our pathway through here is good, and that way our door is closing smoothly. Then as we continue on, we're at our outside kitchen. So we have our grill right here. We'll fold these up, and then this easily folds in and then drops down for easy storage. We have our refrigerator, and then of course we didn't forget, and neither did Alta, we have our leash hookup right here for all our furry friends. And then as we continue around the back, we're going to see a couple of different features here. We're going to have our quick connect right there for an outside hose. Of course, we have our water heater, our spare tire. In the bumper is actually where you will store your sewer hose. It's just caps on both sides, makes it super easy. And then we have our 50 amp power cord hooking up to the back. But on the back, there's a couple other features. We have our ladder, which is gonna mean that this Alta has a walkable roof. And then we have our Furrion hookup. It comes pre-wired for a rear camera. So those cameras are gonna come in 3 different sizes. It's either a 4.5, a 5, or a 7-inch screen. So it's helping you eliminate those blind spots and helping you back up. It's just one of those extra tools and features that make camping fun. Remember guys, camping's supposed to be fun, and we're here to help you do so. Right here on this side, we're gonna have our rear controls for our stabilizer. And then right here, they were nice enough because sometimes it's dark whenever we're about to dump the black tanks, the gray tanks. They put a light here for us, and then we have our black tank flush right here. That's right, guys, this Alta has a black tank flush. That way you don't have to put a hose inside or anything like that. As we're dumping, we hook up the water hose and we're able to clean all that out and take care of that with our Viper sewer hose. Then as we continue on the off-door side, we have our front controls for our stabilizers. So that is right, there are the dual controls, and there's 2 controls on each one. So you're controlling left and right on both the front and the back. And then we have our sewer hookups right there. And then as we continue on, this is gonna be our wet bay. So this is actually the other side of our pass-through storage, but we also have our satellite and cable hookup. We have our battery disconnect, our outside shower. So if you need to wash the dog off and you don't want to go to the backside, this is a little easier for you, you're able to do so right here. And then right here, we'll get you to take a look at that. That is actually going to be the control and reading for your solar panels. All right, guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. Let's go take a look inside of this 2800 KBH. So as soon as we walk through the door, on our left-hand side, we're going to have these dual bunks right here. We have our ladder, of course, but one of the key things I want to show you here is this folds up and is going to give you that extra storage space. So whether we're putting the bikes in there or we're just putting the totes of all our camping gear, we have that space. And then easy again, just folds right down and then the mattress is back down. We have the USB hookups and lights control for each bunk. And then right on the other side of our bunks, we're going to have our large pantry. And then as we continue on into the camper, we're going to go take a look at our bathroom here. So as we go in, we'll notice, first thing I'm going to notice right off the bat is we have our Dematic porcelain toilet. So it's, again, bringing those features from home all the way on the road with you. And then right here, we're going to have our storage on the side of our shower. And then as we step in our shower, we notice that, man, this thing is massive. It's tall. We have plenty of room in here. We have plenty of counter space here in the bathroom, and then plenty of storage as well, above and below. Now that we made it into the living room, guys, right here, one thing I want to show you, super easy, just the pull of the switch, we're able to lounge. We have the Furrion TV and soundbar right across from us, a spot for our drink, and storage, of course, for dad's snacks. So guys, right across from us, like I said, we're going to have our Furrion TV and soundbar. The soundbar, you're able to control the speakers inside and out. But above our TV, we're actually going to have plenty of storage room above and again, guys, below. And then I know I said Furrion TV and soundbar, but there's more Furrion here, guys. We're going to have dual ACs on this one. They're both going to be Furrion. We have one in our main living area, and then the second one's actually going to be in our bedroom. All right, guys, in this kitchen, we're going to notice we have the Magic Chef double door. So fridge and freezer, ooh, that's ice cold. We have Magic Chef there, and then we also have our Magic Chef stove and oven. So one of the great things about this is if I push this lever down, we have our light in here, or if I want it up, we can just have our knobs lit up. 3-burner stove, and then right behind it, if you notice these little slats right here, that's actually for knife storage. And then right above us, we have our microwave and vent hood. Vent hood, of course, has our fan and light on it. And then right here, guys, if that's not enough counter space for you, you're able to pop this guy up right here and help you out a little bit. Super easy to put up and down. You're just gonna give it a little lift and collapse that and fold right back down. All right, guys, at this table, it does fold down. So that means this Alta 2800 KBH sleeps 9. So whether it's just you and the kids or the kids want to bring along some friends, you're able to do so. And then with having these windows here, it is a great view because we enjoy the outdoors. With it having a gross weight of right around 9,500 pounds, most of our half-ton trucks with a weight distribution and sway control hitch are going to be able to tow this just fine. All right, guys, now that we're in the bedroom, you're going to notice one of the key features about this camper. We have a king-size bed in here. That's right, this is a travel trailer with a king-size bed. We have the dual USB ports and plugs on both sides. We have hanging room on both sides with drawers and then storage up top. But I didn't forget it, we mentioned it earlier, we have our second Furrion AC right here in the bedroom. Easy to control. Right behind my head, we're actually gonna have the spot for the TV backer and then hookups right here. So whether you want that small TV in here, you're able to watch the game, or just want to watch a little TV before bed, you're able to do so. Thanks for joining us, guys, as we did the walkthrough on that camper, but there's one more thing I want to show you. This is a starter kit right here. So we have collaborated with customers, got feedback, and we put together kits, so whether you're a 30 amp, 50 amp, a fifth wheel or a travel trailer, or even one of our pop-ups, we have kits that we put together to help you out at the campsite on the go. That way you make sure that you don't forget anything. Remember, like, follow, and share. I'm Christopher with Funtown, and the fun starts here.